Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create email account on Hostinage. And the kind of email account I'm talking about, I'm not just talking about a general email account. I'm talking about business emails. I'm talking about domain emails, and you can do this on the Hostinage website. So for you to do that, you can, this is the homepage of the website. Just open your browser and go to www.hostinage.com. then the website will be right in front of you, and also there's an sales assistance AI on the webpage. You can easily type in and ask questions about the website and reason why you need a business domain email for your brand, your business, your product, and it can give you few information about the business email. And on this website you can have about 100, even more, of email business. You can see, and you can run everything at the same time. Get your mail, send your message to your client, other stuff. You want to advertise your products to your client. Everything you can do this on this particular website. And if you want to create an account on this website, you have to pay for it. If you want to pay, because it is not free. This is a paid website. So for you to do that, just click on login. Once you click on login, then you create account. Okay, you go to not a member yet, then you choose a hosting plan. And then also, if you already have an account, just input your email, then your password, then you try and check the remember me, then login. But if you don't have an account, just go to choose a hosting plan, click on it. I'm taking you through how you can create a business email on this hosting website. Then right here, okay, good. Right here, this is where you can pick your perfect plan for this email business email. So you can choose your plan. Let me close this. Then you can choose your plan. You have a premium, you have a business plan, then you have a cloud startup. It depends on you, and every one of these plan have their importance. So let's say you want for this, you are going for this. Once you pay for this, you can save up to 75% on your payment. Same time for just 48 months times. You can see that. Then also for this 48 months, and this also 48 months. Right here you have 2 months plus added services after you elapse your payment fee. Then there are other things, there are other benefits, and also if you pay for this, you have on your website. This particular website also hosts a business website for your brands, for your company, for your business, and also you have about 25,000 visits monthly. And you can also get 100 gig SSD storage cloud, and also about 400,000 files directory in those, and also many more. Free email, weekly backup, just to back up your data and some most important information from your clients. So every package has their importance. Also, you can see this difference between the premium and the business. Where you can see one here is when you pay for the premium, you get about 100 gig SSD. But if you pay for the business, then you get about 200 gig NVMe storage. So it's different from one another. Every plan has their importance. You can see this cloud startup. If you pay for this, then you're going to be paying about $7.99. Then you have about 300 website hosting for your business. So let's say you want to pick for this, you want to go for this, just choose the plan. Then when you choose the plan, then it's going to take you down to where you're going to make your payment. Good. You can see you're almost there. Complete your order. So right here, check your order. So if you want their service for a month, this is the amount of money you're going to pay. If you want for 12 months, it's conversing. Okay, good. Check your order. Okay, this is what you're going for. I guess, yeah, this is what you're going for. You can see cat has been checked. So this is what we're going for. Now then you go to create your account. Right here you fill in your email address, your password. If you are using a Google, you want to use Google, you can use other websites, you can use your social media account. It depends, but it's more advisable you use Google. just in case. Then also, this is select payment. Right here they have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have about 5 payment method. You can use your credit card. You can use your credit card. You can use your PayPal. You can use your Google Pay. You can use your Alipay, and you can also use this particular one, which is the CoinGate. Once you do that, once you pick a particular one you want to use, then you come here and fill your details, your full name, your last name, your numbers, then your phone number. Okay, yes, your phone number. Then you try to be country specific, your residence, and some other stuff. And after that, then you make your payment. Once you pay your payment, then boom, you have the access to the website, and you can create business email and create a business website for your brand. If you find the video helpful, you can follow for more. Thank you.